Hey there everybody, how you doing? This is George, aka Agent 86, and today we're going to be showing you how to tow a scooter without a tow truck. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is the scooter in question. Needs a little help. So here we go. This is Stephanie right here. As you can see, there goes Stephanie. Stephanie don't got a muffler.
It's just kind of duct tape on there. I don't know if you can see that. There's just some duct tape, right? The seat. Where's the seat at?
Just some duct tape, right? The seat. Where's the seat at? The seat's all messed up. There ain't even no lock. The mirrors is gone. Like, this thing needs more than a tow truck. Let me tell you what. We're gonna go ahead and show you how to do this right now.
But you know what? It wasn't even recording.
What happened? How long did you? When did you put you? So first thing you need is some rope. You better be getting the footage, bro. Don't be there. Don't be playing. This shit recorded, man. Hold on.
Yeah,
there's a reason why.
it's recorded.
There's a reason why this is take 2. So come on over here, Joe. Put that in there, get in there. All right. So the next thing you want to do is put the rope, tie the rope to the car. If I was an expert, I would tell you where the expert spot is. However, we're gonna put a little Cuban engineering into this. And, yeah, we're just gonna tighten this up and hopefully it holds. So we're gonna go over here. Let me know if it was worth it versus paying for the tow truck. Maybe we'll even call a tow truck company and just get a quote. They ain't gonna make no money. We're gonna do it this way. So here we go. Tie the knot. Tie them good now, but don't tie them too good because you got to take them out later. I don't know what kind of knot this is called. I'm not a knot expert. But I think it's gonna work. Okay, yeah, there we go. All right, so basically what's gonna happen is it's gonna be tension for when I hit on the gas. It's gonna pull the damn scooter down the road, and it's gonna save us from having to pay. So here we go. So you probably want to give it some old slack just in case you gotta hit the brakes. The brakes kind of fucked up on this, so we don't give them a little extra slack. All right, and now you got to find a good spot around the scooter to yoke it from. So maybe around here, right? Something like this. Right. Here's my son. This ain't no good because it's gonna come through here. It's gonna come in up in there. We're gonna yoke the whole damn thing on. Alright. Let's safety first. If you got any extra line, just throw it in the trunk. It's complete. You can actually tow a scooter with a little piece of dollar store rope. Let us know in the comments right now, what do you think about this setup, and do you think this is useful? So, stay tuned. What you said? Sit over here. He say he gonna put the vest on. Safety first, man. I don't want people to say that I'm an irresponsible parent. Well, Hey, what's going on, man? We ready to go? Pop the trunk, man. No, we need the trunk closed, man. You gonna grab the helmet?
Huh?
Why you ain't gonna grab the helmet? I'm gonna look crazy as hell with this helmet on, driving the car while I'm towing you like this. You don't think people that's gonna get it? That's the heat up. You need to have it on. What the hell is that? Man, what you got? What's it?
No, I'm not gonna talk.
Oh, is that what you gonna do? Little bad eye look. He wanna. Is that was not him, by the way. We don't know who this guy is that they covered up. It look all right, you know.
Yeah, I got orange.
We do not. This is not that kind of channel, son. It's not that kind of channel. We do good. We do how-tos and good, wholesome how-tos on how to save some money. Now that we've done that, I guess it's time to get in the car. Say that again.
You gotta put it on the bike, on driving. That's what you're doing.
What?
The bike.
What about the bike?
George Senior on the bike.
George Senior on the bike?
Yeah. It's okay, I got you. You don't have to worry about it, man.
You too. What do you say?
Yes,
See,
yes.
I'm gonna say no. I want to know what YouTube says. Comment below. Should I have jumped on the bike instead of Jet? We're gonna go right now. We got maybe one pit stop at the corner store, and then we're gonna go ahead and go on our mission. All right, so we had to take a quick break to stop at the bodega, and now we're gonna go ahead and continue on our next journey before we make it to our final destination. Shout out to Julie's grocery store in Little Havana for supplying the cigars for this video. All right, we got George Jr. mounting up right now. For those of you who don't know, George Jr. is of age. Before I start getting a bunch of comments about child endangerment or anything like that. Nah, that boy's old enough. So, all right, let's go ahead and make a run. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where we're going, because also you tell me make a right, make a hold on. What is the corner street? Cross corners. Because remember, we got to park this motherfucker. It's like, all right, let's go. Come on. Hold on, take a right and then a left. That says not good at giving directions. You ready? Oh shit. All right, we popped one. Popping a few. Okay, pop So we got George back and we're pulling off. Scared just now. Still scared. We gotta go see it by this red light. Boy, I see it, boy. Like a whole bunch of police just there, man. What's going on at that house? So we are right now in Alapata. This is the Garment District, aka also the Hood. We're about to make our way through here as quickly as possible onto our final destination. All right. Oh shit. Man, we popped another one. Not sponsored by Figaro Tires. Figaro Tires, Alapata. Shit. Hey. Following right on your ass, no, brother. I'm trying to get it over to where my mechanic can work on it. Nah, you good, man. Right. Thank you, brother. I thought he was following you too close, man. Nah. Okay, well, we made it. And we answered a very critical question that Americans wanted to know. Can you tow a scooter with some $1 rope from the dollar store? And the answer is yes. So that does it. We finally made it, and another question has been solved. Can you tow a scooter without a tow truck and just a piece of $1 rope from the dollar store? So definitely appreciate you watching. Definitely give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. And as always, we appreciate you watching. Have a great day.